Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. Honda's CRF450X has long been the choice of Baja champions and woods pros, and riders who want the lightweight and awesome power of a premium MX bike. For 2019, the CRF450X has been completely overhauled from the ground up, with lots of new upgrades, including an all-new aluminum frame based on the modern CRF platform but with off-road appropriate features. A true off-road machine that's ready for racing or trail riding, this model features a headlight, taillight, and side stand, as well as an 18 rear wheel and lightweight 2.0-gallon fuel tank, for maximum versatility in challenging terrain. The CRF450X also features a 49mm shows fork with dedicated settings, wide ratio 6-speed transmission, and higher crank mass than the CRF450R. 449.7cc Unicam engine specially tailored for off-road riding, high crank inertia, up 12% over CRF450R, for tractable power delivery in technical terrain. Target price $9,799 and available in October.